Hello everyone. Good morning. Wait a while. Guys, I want to share something about this scammer. This scammer is do their best. As I've seen before that I got scammed under that royal membership card. Okay, from Prince Hamdan Plaza because because I stopped about that real membership card, the last one, last June 17 is the last one. He asked money from me. I know, not that one, that time he make a video call, but I recognize that he is a fake Hamdan Plaza. It's computer work. Okay, so after that I have posted in my YouTube channel. So this is when I posted in that my Facebook account. The first one is in my Facebook account. There is a woman commented that there is a man who relocate the money, or who hack the money to give me back. He said, contact this Eric Rogan Hunter dash hacker 04. Okay, so guys, I want to show you something. This profile now is not available. So okay, so this is a long story about this one. Maybe I think I make it 2 times to share the truth. So don't believe any, especially if talking about money. It's my experience and I am sharing. I am here to share the truth. Okay, if you don't believe in me, it's not my problem. So now his account now is not available. I need to make this part 2 because the next one is in my Facebook page. There is a I don't know how many lady I share also. I have a screen video record about the woman, but all of that now is Facebook user. So okay, let's continue. Before he delete this, so I think this one is because this account is deleted. Take a look. So deleted already. So first I try to say hello. So he replied, "Are you also a scam victim? Are you also a scam victim?" he said. So I said, "Yes, sir, since November 2022. And he asked, "How much were you scammed of in total?" So he replied, "Okay. I want to scroll about what we are talking because some are false, some are true." Okay? Because I want to catch them. So okay, send all the transactions details you made, but I already deleted. So there, he said, "Yes, screenshot of payment you made." And then I asked, "Is this real, sir? You can help?" And then he said, "Yes, ma'am. Trust me and trust the process. Ma'am, you are getting back your money from those scammers." This he said. So I said, "Thank you, sir. I'm waiting for you to send those transaction details you made with those scammers." So kawawa guys, itong mga nabibiktima nito. I'm sure there are a lot of victims. There are a lot of victims about this one. So I sent already, but I deleted because something in my mind that deleted all. So okay, and then so this one. how much your scam? I was like this. And then he said, okay, hang on, let me have background check on this, okay? Stay in the chat. Guys, totoo lang, you know, I didn't sleep until 4 o'clock. I'm waiting for this. How true or false is this man, okay? Maybe they make another account to scam people. And then this one, I'm running deep check on this. Running deep check sa mga mata nila. Sarap ang tusukin ng karayom. And then she said, I'm looking into it, but I need you stay online during this process of recovery. I said, just pretend to make a video call, but it's not. Because just, if real, they will call you and never turn it off. Okay? So he said, Rosalie, good news. Recover na daw niya. Gago. A lot of transactions sent from the trace. So now this account was disabled. The account can be contacted. So how some people are victims of these people. So and then they said, it will cost you $300 for the job. Magbayad daw ako ng $300 US dollars. How much yan guys sa piso? Almost 21,000 guys. So be careful. Mautak din, sabi ko. Okay, you take it in the money you recover, but ayaw nila kasi kailangan talaga nilang magpadala ka ng pera. So, sabi niya, you need to download, I need you go to the download the Master Recovery Wallet from App Store, Play Store, Coin Market Cap. Ano ito Bitcoin. So, the Bitcoin is nandito sa akin. Okay, sabi niya, okay, create an account using an email and password of your choice. Using an email and password of your choice. So, ginawa ko rin. Tinatry ko lang. Send me the email and password used to register. So, yung email ko lang na registered ko doon, ayun lang isnin ko. Pero the email account and the password of my email account, I never gave. Only that Bitcoin, the login. Tapos sabi niya, yan, binigay ko. Because I want to know the truth. But my email my Gmail login, I never gave. This password is from that app. Okay? So, send me a picture of what you see. Ang gago talaga, guys. So, this is it. I am sending. Sabi niya kasi pa, hold on, ma'am. And go back and log in. Use same email and password. So, yan. Ginawa nila talaga. I know that Bitcoin has so many women also victim of that, lost millions of dollars. Because I have seen a news before she is a Hong Kong woman. Her boyfriend asked her to like this one Bitcoin, and he lost 4 million Hong Kong dollars. And then sabi niya, that is your money. Oh, how so big? 3,785. That is your money I recovered from those scammers. But she is scammers also. And then, sabi niya, don't do anything, not touch anything. But now I cannot. They are so, this one. I will be there, but I want to ask to the bank about this one. I will be the one to activate your wallet. Oh, sabi niya, siya daw ang mag-activate sa aking wallet. We will be needing $500 for the activation. You see? My God, they are crazy. $500 for the activation. And I will be needing your account. You want your money to be. You see? Pabayarin ako ng $500 guys. How much is this? Almost 600 Macau dollars. 6,000 Macau dollars. Mga gago. But I never gave. I can afford, why not? But I don't want, because I know these scammers is only one person doing this. They are red flag. I don't know if the Prince Hamdan Fasa is connected of these people. I really don't know. But why he didn't control these people? He have he have a powerful person to order these people, especially in Facebook, to shut down all the profiles who used his name, especially the largest group in Facebook and TikTok. It's really very dirty now. So I really don't believe. Masabi pa niyo? I've been into this all my life. This is my job, okay? Ma'am, I can't cheat anyone here either, though I also want to be cheated. Ma'am, don't get this wrong. You're not paying me. You're only activating your wallet so you can make withdrawal. So, if true that it's my money, so why I need to pay? Okay? I am already victim, so that's why I am searching anything. Your money has already been recovered, but you need to activate your wallet before you can transfer the money from your wallet to any bank of your choice. They're so much clever because this person is, I think, IT, information technology. They are working in the computer. They are so very powerful in this computer. You don't expect, so sabi ko, you can pay for it, you can get 1,000, it's okay for me there. Ginanyan ko siya, kahit 1,000. You didn't expect me to pay for activation of your wallet, ma'am. This your money we're talking about. I'm getting paid by the government. You are not to pay me then for this service, okay? I understand how you feel for 100%, but you can count on me. I don't know if I trust again via online. I lost my trust. So this is what I have seen. Others that testify on Facebook, they once and had this feeling same as you, but they activate trust, and today they are testifying now in Facebook page who's sending me a message. Now they are also Facebook user. So they are connected, or maybe he's the one. He or she have many dummy account, because all of that now is deactivated. The page is deactivated. So, I am here to show everything for my awareness to all women, innocent women, and ladies. But if you don't believe on me, it's not my problem anymore. I am here because I have a big concern. Because you think you can get a lot of money, but it's not. So this is it. So this is it, guys. Exactly what you're doing from now on. Ma'am, you're ready for the activation now? So, ready ba daw ako? Atat na siya makuha yung 6,000 or 500 US dollar ko. Oh, lol. Never mind. Sabi niya pa, oh. I reply, I don't have money. He said, Ma'am, you can borrow from a friend, then you pay back immediately. You activate your wallet and make withdrawals. Ang galing nilang mag-advise. Ganito ang mga scammers, guys. This is the scammers. They're asking you to borrow a friend, then pay back immediately after you activate. After the activation. But no, I never. So, because I don't want. Okay, we should just throw away everything now that we've come this far. Because I seen that one. So, useless daw. Because he want the money. Gago. So now this account is disabled anymore. So I make this later. So I'm telling the truth that all are scammers. Not only the people use the photo of the Crown Prince Hamdan of Dubai, but many people doing this. But this is connected from the Prince Hamdan Faza because we are doing this about the scammers. Okay? So I'm sure they are the group. So now where they are now. So I'm sure some women who have victim of this, it's really sad. So where the contact? Okay? So it's okay. Me, I move on already about that royal card because one day I will take it back. Okay? It's only money. So guys, have a nice day and God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Mabuhay. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Marami pa akong i-share sa inyo because I need to check the messages on my spam. Okay? So maraming salamat at mabuhay. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Rose13185 or Rosalie Sibelia Rose 13. Marami pong salamat at mabuhay. Bye-bye!